There is a division of opinion on what the cost of insurance will do as a result of this law. Some experts think it'll go up, some think it'll go down. But what we do know is that insurance companies have to spend between 80 and 85% of all the money they take in on health care, which means that administrative costs will probably go down. And as those go down, so too will the price of insurance. Additionally, there are going to be market mechanisms, both through what we call the exchange, or a marketplace for all individuals to purchase insurance, that will force insurance companies to compete in ways they don't currently compete for a larger share of the market. If you remember, starting in 2014, all Americans will have to have insurance, which means insurers will be competing for a larger market share. This competition will most likely bring down the cost of insurance. Yes, there will be some people who pay more for insurance, but they currently are possibly uninsured or are underinsured. That is, that they have a plan that doesn't adequately meet their health care needs, and they end up paying a great deal out of pocket in the forms of deductibles. As we move forward and this law is fully implemented, there are a number of administrative rules and regulations that will most likely drive down the cost of insurance through market mechanisms.